Want to disable all notifications from Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn off all notifications from Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to launch the Threads app on your phone. After that, you can see profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. Then tap on the two lines icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now choose the notification option from here. Tap on the From Threads button. After that, tap on the Off button of all the options in here. And that's how you can turn off all notifications from Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.